Kaizer Chiefs salaries as of 2025, and these are all weekly salaries. The least paid player at Kaizer Chiefs is Wandile Duba, who earns 5,240. He is followed by Ngcobo, who earns 6,950. The third least paid player at Kaizer Chiefs is Happy Mashiane, who earns 8,000. And he is followed by Mduduzi Shabalala, who earns 8,120. The next one is Zwane, who earns 8,150, all weekly. F. Ntwari earns 8,330. This might come as a surprise, but Jabulo Blom earns 20,450 per week. He is followed by Kwinika, who earns 20,800, all weekly. Msimango earns 21,740. Ditlogwe earns 22,000 per week. Wow, that's a great one. Mthethwa earns 22,350. And Christian Sile, the former Kaizer Chiefs striker, earned 22,400 per week. Miguel earned 22,500. Peterson, the number one shot stopper at Kaizer Chiefs as of recent, he earns 22,500. And we have B Cross, who earns 22,900 all weekly. And Castillo earns 23,000. Bruce Vuma earns 23,450. Vilakazi earns 24,980. And we have Dudley, who earns 25 Gs per week. D Solomons earns 26,250 per week. Chivoviro earns 37,500. Rael Forsler earns 37,500 all per week. And Yusuf Mart earns 65,000. Well, that's a great jump. He is followed by Ashley Dupreez, who earns 65,800 per week. Pochane earns 67,275 rands per week. Castro earns 112,350 per week. And the most paid player at Kaizer Chiefs is Pulemoti, who earns 115,000 per week. Well, let me know in the comment section whose salary per week surprised you the most, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.